Do you want to learn about letters? Hello, my name is Muse. I make the sound caw. Did you know every letter has a name and makes a sound too? Follow me to learn more.
The name of this letter is Q. This is uppercase letter Q. This is lowercase letter Q. The sound the letter Q makes is qu, like quit. What is the name of this letter? Q. What sound does letter Q make? Qu. Now, let's practice. You'll show me thumbs up for yes and thumbs down for no. Get ready. Is this the letter Q? Yes. Is this the letter Q? No, that's the letter R. Is this the letter Q? No, that's the letter P. Is this the letter Q? Yes. Shh. Did you hear that? It was the sound of the letter Q. Which picture made the qu sound like the letter Q? Carrot, jam, quilt, X-ray. Did you say quilt? Quilt says qu like the letter Q. Here's your last question. What is the name of this letter?
Q. Outstanding effort. You finished this lesson on the letter Q.
Want a few more ways to practice with today's letter and sound? Then check out our resources on Teachers Pay Teachers.